In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo to Apple Watch Face. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an Apple Watch, you can change the watch faces and add custom photos. So to do this, open the Apple Watch application on your iPhone, and in here, tap on the Face Gallery. So at the bottom of the screen, go over to Face Gallery. There's going to be a big list that is sorted in alphabetical order. So just go all the way down on this list until you reach photos. So add the photos watch face from your gallery. Once you tap on this option, you will be able to customize it so you can assign a different color to this watch face, and you can choose which content will be displayed among your photos. So you can choose a specific album, you can choose your favorites, individual photos, and so on. So tap on the add option that you see here. Now, when you go back into the home screen, alongside the default watch face, you will have the photos watch face. You can tap on this again if you would like to customize it further. And like I've mentioned before, by going over to content and choosing something like album, favorites, photos, you can choose the specific photos or specific pictures that you want to use. You can cycle between various different photos, so every time that you pull up the watch, you will see a new picture, or you can set a specific static one. Either way, customize this according to your preferences here in the Content tab. Once all of this is done and everything is saved, now to actually apply the watch face, tap and hold on your watch. So unlock your watch and then tap and hold anywhere on the screen. Once you tap and hold from the home page, or when you tap on an empty watch face, it should bring you to this menu. Now swipe all the way to the right, so until you find the new option. So you should have the Meridian, which is the default one, or another name, and then the photos one that you've recently added. So tap on new, and then you will be able to browse through all of the watch faces. Swipe between all of these left and right until you reach the photos watch face, and once it is applied, it will be displayed accordingly. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.